Welcome student to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology Bhinder East. Subject Applied Mathematics. Myself Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Today's lecture is chapter number 9 for Computer Engineering and Information Technology student, numerical methods. Last lecture we continue about the Gauss elimination method. Using Gauss elimination method, solve equation 2x plus 3y plus 2z equal to 2, 10x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 16, 3x plus 6y plus z is equal to minus 6. We consider the first and second and third equation we have to solve simultaneously. 10x plus 15y plus 10z equal to 10, 10x plus 3y plus 4z equal to 16. We have to take the subtraction, common term get cancelled. 12y plus 6z minus 6 is there. We consider the first equation, we multiply with this 15, so obviously we have to 13x plus 9y plus 12z is equal to 48, 13x plus 60y plus 10z is equal to minus 60. We derive minus 51y plus 2z equal to 108. Now we solve these two method with y and z variables simultaneously. 4y plus 2z equal to minus 2, 15y plus 2z equal to 108. So we have to solve, it is 55y is equal to 110. By back substituting, we have derived value x equal to 1, y is equal to minus 2, z is equal to 3. Solve the following equation by Gauss elimination method. Three systems are given, obviously first and second, and first and we have to third, we have to simultaneously solve. 6x minus y minus z equal to 19, 3x plus 4y plus z is equal to 26. 9x plus 3y is equal to 45, 36 minus 6y minus 6, 114, x plus 2y plus 6z equal to 22. 37x minus 4y is equal to 136. Now we divide both sides by the obviously 3, so 12x plus 4y is equal to 60, 37 minus 4y equal to 136. 49 is equal to 196, so we have to derive x equal to 4. Back substituting, we derive y is equal to 3 and z equal to 2. Solving this Gauss elimination method, 2x plus y plus z equal to 10, 3x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 18, x plus 4y plus 9z equal to 16. First and third we solve. 3x plus y equal to 12, 17x plus 5y is equal to 74. 15x plus 5y is equal to 60, 17x plus 5y is equal to 74, minus 2x equal to minus 14, x equal to 7. By back substituting, we have y is equal to 12 minus 3x, 12 minus 21 is equal to minus 9, z is equal to 10 minus 2x minus y is equal to 10 minus 14 plus 9 is equal to 5, x equal to 7, y is equal to minus 9, z is equal to 5. Now, using Gauss elimination, the next advantage is Jacobi's method of iteration to get the exact root. So Jacobi's iteration a11 x1 plus a12 x2 plus a13 x3 is equal to b1, a21 x1 plus a22 x2 plus a23 x3 is equal to b2, a31 x1 plus a32 x2 plus a33 x3 is equal to b3. Now we derive x1 b1 minus a12 x2 minus a13 x3 upon a11, x2 b2 minus a21 x1 minus a23 x3 upon a22, x3 b3 minus a31 x1 minus a32 x2 upon a33. Step number 1, construct updating formulas. xi I plus 1 we have to derive for the I step, I plus 1 for the B step, and x3 I plus 1 same step we have to follow for the taking consideration. Step 2 is important. Start with initial guesses x1 raised to 0, x2 raised to 0, x3 raised to 0. Step number 3, iteratively compute the x1 I plus 1, x2 I plus 1, x3 I plus 1 based on the updating formulas for I is equal to 0, 1 until x's are converges. So Jacobi's iteration method we have to solve. 15x plus 2y plus z equal to 18, 2x plus 20y minus 3z equal to 19, 3x minus 6y plus 20z equal to 22. First, we have to arrange it is in a linear manner. x is equal to, we have to convert first equation 1 upon 15 18 minus 2y minus z. Y is equal to 1 upon 20 19 minus 2x plus 3z. Z is equal to 1 upon 25 22 minus 3x plus 6y. We consider x0, y0, z0 equal to 0. Substituting in this equation, we derive x1 1.5, y1 0.95, z1 0.88. Now we put these three values in this expression. We have x2 is equal to 1.015, y2 0.962, z2 is 0.964. Find the first iteration by Jacobi's method for the following system of equation. 5x minus y plus z equal to 10, x plus 2y equal to 6, x plus y plus z 5z equal to minus 1. So linearly we have to write one variable is not present, that is z here, so we have to consider as 0. So x is equal to 1 upon 5 10 plus y minus z, y is equal to 1 upon 2 6 minus x, z equal to 1 upon 5 minus 1 minus x minus y. Initial root x0, y0, z0 is 0. So putting this value, we derive x is equal to 2, y1 is equal to 3 and z1 is equal to minus 0.2. Find by Jacobi's method the first iteration only for the following equation. 5x minus y is equal to 9, x minus 5y plus z equal to minus 4, y minus 5z is equal to 6. X is equal to 9 plus y upon 5, y is equal to minus 4 minus x minus z upon minus 5, z 6 minus y upon minus 5. Initial approximation, we have to put x0, y0 and z0 0. So x is equal to 9 upon 5 1.8, y 4 upon 5 0.8, z 6 upon minus 5 minus 1.5. Solve the equation using Jacobi's method up to 3 iteration. 10x minus 2y minus 2z equal to 6, minus x minus y minus 10z is equal to 8, minus x plus 10y minus 2z equal to 7. X is equal to 1 upon 10, 6 plus 2y plus 2z, y 1 upon 10, 7 plus x plus 2z, z 1 upon 10, 8 plus x plus y. Taking initial root x0, y0, z0 equal to 0, x1 0.6, y1 0.7, z1 0.8, x2 0.9, xy2 0.92, z2 0.93. x3 0.97, y3 0.976, z3 0.982. Solve the following equation by Jacobi's method performing the 3 iteration only. 20x plus y minus 2z equal to 17, 3x plus 20y minus z equal to minus 18, 2x minus 3y plus 20z equal to 25. 20x plus y minus 2z equal to 17, 3x plus 20y minus z equal to minus 18, 2x minus 3y plus 20 is equal to 25. X is equal to 1 upon 20, 17 minus y plus 2z, y 1 upon 20 minus 18 minus 3x plus z, and z is equal to 1 upon 20, 25 minus 2x plus 3y. Put x0, y0, 0, x1 0.85, y1 minus 0.9, z1 1.25, x2 1.02, y2 minus 0.965, z2 1.03, x3 1.001, y3 minus 1.002 and z3 1.003. Jacobi's method. Next example, 10x plus y plus 2z equal to 13, 3x plus 10y plus z equal to 14, 2x plus 3y plus 10z equal to 15. 10x plus y plus 2z equal to 13, 3x plus 10y plus z equal to 14, 2x plus 3y plus 10z equal to 15. X 13 minus y minus 2z upon 10, y 14 minus 3x minus z upon 10, z 15 minus 2x minus 3y upon 10. Initial root x0, y0, z0, 0, x1 1.3, y1 1.4, z 1.5. Same trick apply for these Jacobi's methods. Now we have to discuss about the Gauss-Seidel method. In this we have to use the previous value there. How? Let us start. Solve the following system of equation using Gauss-Seidel method. 5x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 18, x plus 7y minus 3z equal to 22, 2x minus y plus 6z equal to 22. First we have to convert it in a form 1 upon 5 18 plus 2y minus 3z, y 1 upon 7 22 minus x plus 3z, z 1 upon 6 22 minus 2x plus y. Put initial root 0, x1 3.6, y1 2.629, z1 2.90. Resubstitute this value in this equation. We have to derive x2 2.909, y2 3.972, z2 3.359. Solve the following system of equation using Gauss-Seidel method. 15x plus 2y plus z equal to 18, 2x plus 20y minus 3z equal to 19, 3x minus 6y plus 25z equal to 22. X is equal to 1 upon 15, 18 minus 2y minus z, y 1 upon 20, 19 minus 2x plus 3z, z 1 upon 25, 22 minus 3x plus 6y. Put y0 z0 0, x1 1.2, y1 0.83, z1 0.935. Now we have to put these again values in this expression to derive x1 x2 y2 and z2. So x2 1.027, y2 0.988, z2 0.994. Again Gauss-Seidel method. First iteration, 10x plus 2y plus z equal to 9, x plus 10y minus z equal to minus 22, minus 2x plus 3y plus 10z equal to 22. X equal to 9 minus 2y minus z upon 10, y is equal to minus 22 minus x plus z upon 10, z 22 plus 2x minus 3y upon 10. Initial root we have to put x0, y0, z equal to 0, x1 0.9, y1 minus 2.29, z1 equal to 3.067. Gauss-Seidel method. Find the first iteration for the system of equation 8x plus 2y plus 3z equal to 30, x minus 9y plus 2z equal to 1, 2x plus 3y plus 6z equal to 31. X is equal to 30 minus 2y minus 3z upon 8, y 1 minus x minus 2z upon minus 9, z 31 minus 2x minus 3y upon 6, x0, y0, z0, 0, x equal to 3.75, y 0.306, z 3.764. Now using Gauss-Seidel method we have to consider 5x minus y is equal to 9, x minus 5y plus z equal to minus 4, y minus 5z equal to 6. We have to put with the following system of equation 5x minus y is equal to 9, x minus 5y plus z equal to minus 4, y minus 5z equal to 6. Set up the Gauss-Seidel method iteration as having 2 times using initial approximation. We have to consider x0 1.5, y0 0.5 and z0 is equal to minus 0.5. So 5x minus y equal to 9, x minus 5y plus z equal to minus 4. So linearly we have to write 5x minus y plus 0z equal to 9, x minus 5y plus z equal to minus 4 and 0x plus y minus 5z equal to 6. Now x is equal to 1 upon 5, 9 plus y is equal to 1 upon minus 5, minus 4, minus x, minus z, z 1 upon minus 5, 6 minus y. Starting value we have to consider x0 1.5, y0 0.5, z0 minus 0.5, x1 1.9, y1 1.08, z1 minus 0.984. x2 is equal to 2.016, y2 1.006, z2 minus 0.999. Now we have to solve again the example based on Gauss-Seidel method taking the 3 iteration. 15x plus 2y plus z equal to 18, 2x plus 20y minus 3z equal to 19, 3x minus 6y plus 25z equal to 22. We have to convert x is equal to 1 upon 15, 18 minus 2y minus z, y is equal to 1 upon 20, 19 minus 2x plus 3z, z 1 upon 25, 22 minus 3x plus 6y. Initial value we have to consider x0, 0, y0, z0. Now x1 1.2, y1 0.83, z1 0.935. Again resubstitute the value of x1, y1, z1 in this expression to derive x2, y2, z2 1.027, 0.988, 0.994. Resubstitute the value of this expression in this equation. So we derive x3 is equal to 1.002, y2 and y3. So we have to resubstitute. y3 is 0.999, z3 0.999. Now using Gauss-Seidel method, 10x plus 2y plus z equal to 9, x plus 10y minus z equal to minus 22, minus 2x plus 3y plus 10z equal to 22. Now resubstitute and we have derived x equal to 1 upon 10, 9 minus 2y minus z, y 1 upon 10 minus 22 minus x plus z, z 1 upon 10 22 plus 2x minus 3y. Starting with initial value y0 z0 equal to 0, so we derive x1 0.9, y1 minus 2.29 and z1 3.067, x2 1.051, y2 minus 1.998 and z2 is 3.009. So